This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Launched in 2023, this channel not only attracts attention, but also quickly gains popularity, gathering a huge number of subscribers around him in an extremely short period of time. My ambition is to become your trusted guide in the world of creating exciting and in-demand content on YouTube, as well as to provide you with everything you need to achieve brilliant success and stable income. Today, I not only plan to share with you information on how to create an attractive video, but also offer you detailed instructions, including as many as 20 fascinating questions for guessing the most popular cat breed. In order to start this creative process, contact the GPT chat, clearly articulating a request for a list of 20 questions presented in tabular format. Each question should be organized to include 3 possible answers, where one of them is correct and 2 are incorrect. To keep your audience's attention, it is suggested to wisely mix the correct answers between different answer options, which will add surprise and slow down the prediction of the outcome. When your list of questions is ready, go to the Canva tool. Choose a video format for YouTube, and with great care, choose a background that will be in harmony with your chosen background theme, ensuring style and integrity. Then create an introduction, not just limiting yourself to the title, but introducing a creative greeting to your audience. Don't forget to include a call to action, encouraging viewers to actively subscribe to your channel and engage in dialogue in the comments. To give a unique visual style, the use of a variety of effects and fonts in Canva is very important. Experiment with the intro design to not just stand out, but create a unique visual impression and emphasize the individuality of your channel. After that, immerse yourself in creating video content, enriching it with interesting facts, interaction with the audience, and visual elements to create exciting and unforgettable content that not only holds the attention, but immerses viewers into the world of your channel, leaving an unforgettable viewing experience. My creative process begins with the careful development of a unique design that should attract attention and emphasize the individuality of the content. First of all, I delve into the world of color solutions, examining various shades, trying to choose one that will create a great visual experience. Then the background selection stage begins, and at this point, spiral backgrounds become a very attractive option, fitting into the atmosphere of the video. Creating a structure that includes questions is an integral part of my creative process. Turning to the visual side, I do not limit myself only to choosing the font color, but also carefully selected sizes, trying to achieve the perfect balance between readability and aesthetics. Then, we move on to creating a professional timer, where the emphasis is on carefully choosing a color that matches the overall style and background, and the timer duration is set to 10 seconds, leaving space for 3 possible answers. By adding visual elements such as circles and rectangles, I take several steps of additional adjustment to ensure the most pleasant experience. At this point, animations are introduced that add dynamism to the video sequence. Moving on to the next step, I insert images of different cat breeds corresponding to the 3 possible answers. But first of all, to get such images, I create a separate folder on the Canva platform, conduct a search, and carefully add them. Going through these stages quickly, it is important not to lose sight of the impact of sound on overall perception. Adding music and sound effects is a key step to add extra appeal to the video. Canva provides a variety of sound clips that can be easily integrated into the content. In case the video doesn't seem exciting enough, the sound effects become a real salvation. An additional tip, especially relevant for creating test videos, is to provide the correct answer after the time has expired. In this case, a spiral background is added at the top of the template. A structure is created to display the correct answer with the appropriate image, and this section is hidden, appearing in the last seconds, which gives viewers the opportunity to see the correct answer at the very last moment. Let's take a close and detailed look at each stage of our process to ensure optimal results. After that, we are faced with the task of voicing the question and integrating the resulting audio clip into the overall context of the video. In the process of creating audio accompaniment for our videos on the YouTube platform, we resort to using free artificial intelligence tools. Today, I use the 11 Labs tool to voice this test video. You will have to manually select the correct option from the table of questions that we have prepared and added to the voiceover tool. Here in front of you is the process of visualizing how I generate voiceover for each question, paying attention to every detail. After the audio clips have been successfully uploaded, do not forget to re-upload them to Canva to ensure full and harmonious integration with your current project. Now it's time to move on to a more complex stage of our project, which involves adding questions and appropriate answers to our carefully designed template. We can proceed to this step using ready-made real data from our spreadsheet, systematically copying the video and carefully adjusting each question to fit the context. If you wish, you can also make changes to the background of the video by adding an individual style to it. Now that we have all the components of the template, we can generate pages and prepare videos. However, before we can finally upload the video, there is one more important stage ahead. It is necessary to organize the dragging of audio clips of the questions that we have previously uploaded to Canva and connect them with each question and the corresponding answer. Similarly, we should also add sound effects to all the other questions, following the same method that you use for the first question. After that, it is recommended to carefully check the final result. And here you are almost at the finish line. For now, let's move on to uploading videos. And it is recommended that you select the Do Not Create Separate Files option so that the video can be uploaded as a single file. Thus, after completing this step, your video will be uploaded successfully. And so, you have successfully completed the entire process of creating an exciting video quiz ready for the attention of your target audience. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.